Welcome back to my channel. Friends, in our last video we created a code using if and else function for this LED bar graph. When we increase the voltage value, any analog signal which is applied to A0 pin, at that time the LEDs are increasing, the bar graph is increasing. And in today's video we created a code to indicate the same LEDs on the bar graph on the LCD to display the voltage. When the voltage are less 00, there is no indication here or here. When we have voltage value above than 0.25 volt, at that time first LED is on and first block is on. When the voltage are above than 0.75, the second LED and the second block is on. So in this way we can display the bar graph effect on the LCD. Let's see how we can write the code. Let's start. In our last video we discussed how we can write code for LED bar graph. It is a very simple code using if and else function. The benefit of this code that we can define our own values for turning on the LEDs, for triggering the signal. If we use mapping function, at that time it will automatically allocate the specific bit size, specific numbers from the ADC value to each LED, and each LED will turn on with specific interval at specific voltage level. But here in this code we can define our own values. Like here voltage value is 0.25. If I will set to 0.5 volt, I can do it. Here at level 2 I set 0.75. We can set 0.1 volt, 2 volt, whatsoever. In this session we will display the same bar graph on this LCD. How we can define, just only include sketch, include library, wire.h and include library. We are using liquid crystal I2C module, this one. So we will use I2C. These two libraries we added. Set this LCD, we will rename it LCD and its address is 0/27, comma, it is 16 characters and 2 rows, 16/2. This is our LCD. Now we want to display the block. Now come to maxpomer.github.io LCD character creator. This is our LCD block. It is one character. Select the number of blocks which we want to turn on. We want to turn on all the blocks. Switch this system to I2C. It is parallel. We need to set I2C because we are using I2C LCD. So it created our custom code. Copy this block, copy from here and go to Arduino code and paste under the definition of this LCD. We will make array, or we can leave in the same condition, no problem. It is the same. Yes, we can give the name here. For example, I will give block. This is when we will say block, it will pick this code. It is custom character code. Now go back to the set here. In the setup lcd.begin, we will copy this command. We will copy these commands. Copy. Now in the setup, paste these commands. Here we no need to LCD begin because we initialize the LCD. We will initialize LCD here. LCD dot initialize, LCD dot backlight. Now create custom character. Now this is the custom character which we write the name. It is our own name, block. Copy and paste here. It is now custom character. Now we will come in the program body. LCD dot set cursor where we want to display this one 0, 0, first row, the first digit, and we will say LCD dot write block, and if no, now this is the second, we will copy this and we will paste here. If the value is true, it will display the block. If value is false, what it will do, we will use only print command and inverted commas space. This is our first try. Okay, we created the code. Now we will connect the power. Ground pin, we will connect to the ground pin and we will take the voltage across this potentiometer. The first pin we connected here, it is ground, and we have positive voltage at this point. SCL and SDA, SCL to A5 and SDA pin to A4. Now we will upload the program. Yes, when the first LED will turn on, okay, I will place it here. When the first LED will turn on, it will display block, and when the level is false, it will turn off. Let's copy the same in the next block. We will copy it and we will paste it in the second block, that is the second level, that is the pin number 2. Paste it here and we will give the position number 1, and we will copy this one. At else function we will paste it here and we will say to number 1, position number 1. This is position number 0. Now we will write at position number 1. This is position number 0, 0 column, 0 row, and now we will say first column, 0 row. So this is pin number 3, and the same we will copy it here. We will paste here and we will write the code 20. In the else function we will type blank. At pin number 5 we will say it is position number 3, 30 block, and in else condition here we will write blank. We will paste in all statements. This is the simplest technique. We can adopt the other ideas. We can use mapping function, but now to understand the addressing with the different registers, it is best way to practice in this way. Yes, that's good. Now we updated the code. Yes, now it is working good. Now we can display the voltage value as well. Here, after measuring the voltage, this is our voltage value. We can display here LCD dot set cursor 0, 1, LCD dot print. We can say voltage space comma, and then we will say LCD dot print. After voltage we will display this value. Now it will show the voltage and it will display the bar. Now it is 0 volt and no LED is on. When the voltage level is greater than 0.25, the first LED is on and first indicator is on. 0.75, the second LED, second. 1.17. Yes, that's good. At 5 volt, all LEDs are on and the voltage are 5 volt. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.